video is from NadulaHair. All their information is in the description box below. So this is a 13 by 4 Kinky straight 24-inch. I think this is either 150 or 180 density. I'll have it below. Reddish Brown wig. This is one with like dark roots and it kind of has like highlights. But you can see this is what the inside looks like. You can see that lace, which is amazing. It has 2 combs at the sides. It has this elastic band here, which we love, and the comb at the back, as well as this lace here, and also the adjustable straps on the sides. So this is what the wig looks like. It's super thick. In the package, they sent me this really cute silk robe, a headband, a wig cap. We got another headband. We have some eyelashes in this brush. So jumping right into the video. I already have my wig cap installed. I'm using my black opal makeup and I'm just coloring my wig cap so it can match the complexion of my skin and not look crazy under that wig. And then I'm going to go in with my lace tint and tint the lace of the wig. I did bleach the knots, but beware. Since this is like a reddish brown wig, when you bleach the knots, it's gonna bleach like reddish. Like it didn't get like blonde like I was expecting, which is weird because like it looks black, but it bleached like kind of reddish, but it was still cute. It still looked natural. But just be cautious of that. So as much as I love the fact that they include these headbands in the back, I never use them because my head is small enough. Is this for small heads? Yeah, right? Or for big heads. I don't know. Child. Anyways, I don't need them, so I always take these off. So now I'm just going to adjust it to fit my head and slide the wig on. Y'all, as soon as I slid this wig on, I knew it was going to be a good one. I knew it was going to be a good one. You could just tell. You know how you can just tell? I could just tell. Anyways, I was going to go and cut out my little ear tabs here on the sides. I love that I didn't have to cut off like too much of it. It was only just a little bit. I'm using the glue from Wig Dealer, of course, per usual. Same old, same old. I'm going to go ahead and put my glue across my hairline. I don't know if you can tell, but my little sides, my little edges on the sides are thinning from wearing a whole bunch of wigs because I used to have like a really thick patch of hair on like each side, like because my hairline is weird. And I've been noticing that it's been getting thin lately. So yeah, I just wanted to point that out because I'm really sad about it. But yeah, so I wound up doing like like 2 or 3 layers of this glue. I just didn't show myself applying like all the layers. We know what that looks like. So I applied 2, 3 layers and then I blow dried it. Now I'm just taking my comb, the back part of my comb, and then my hot comb, and I'm melting the lace into the glue. If you can look closely, you can see like how my edges look a little bit orange in the front there. That's what I was talking about when I said when I bleached the knots, it bleached more orange than blonde, but it's kind of fine, I guess, because it wound up still matching with the complexion and it wasn't like that crazy looking. I don't know, it didn't look bad to me. So now I'm going to go in with my wig bond spray after I do that and spray it all across the front of my hairline. Usually I do it behind, but I wanted to try something a little different this time, so I'm spraying it across the front of my hairline and then I'm going to wrap it. And really it's not different, it's just different for me. Everybody else does it this way and I was like, let me stop being rebellious and do it like everybody else. So that's what I'm doing. So this is usually the part where things get real scary for me, real treacherous, but surprisingly this lace is like really easy and simple to cut. I'm not sure if it's, let me check their website real fast. Is this transparent lace? It doesn't say it is. I don't know what kind of lace this is, but I like it, okay, because it works. So it was real simple to cut it, and it blended really well with my complexion, or it blended. Does it blend with my complexion? I don't know. It was fine. Great. It was it was fine. I was able to get it to blend and not look crazy. That's the main point here. After cutting off the lace, now I'm going in and not flat ironing, but like smoothing out the roots of this hair towards the top so it won't be so poofy. So I'm just taking my Got To Be Free spray and my wax stick, and I'm parting it, you know, little by little, and taking my hot comb and just making it flat and smooth. What was I gonna say? Oh, I initially started off doing a side part, but changed my mind per usual. I just decided I wanted to go and do a middle part. And then so what I did first was I flat ironed this hair because I wanted to see what it looked like not poofy, not kinky straight. I mean, I guess it's kinky straight hair, but I really love kinky straight hair to flat iron it, because to me it comes out like the best, like when you flat iron kinky straight hair, because it looks super natural. It looks like my hair. Like, can't nobody tell me this is not my hair, because it is. So that's why I like flat ironing it first. I did decide I wanted to go in and deep wave it a little bit later, and I'll show you that in a bit, but first this is me flat ironing it. Yeah, so this is what I was talking about earlier. I'm moving my part to the middle. Yeah, and you can really see the orange here. But I'm moving my part to the middle, and I don't know, I guess I really just wanted to wear this hair like in the middle and straight. It's super flat. Like, you can see how flat it is. Like, a lot of wigs, it's really hard to get a lot of wigs to lay super flat at the top, but my experience with kinky straight wigs, well, this kinky straight wig, is that I was able to get it to lay super flat. Like, it really looked like I flat ironed my natural hair minus the orange roots or got a relaxer. Yeah, it looks so natural. So that's really what made me want to keep it like this. So now I'm about to do, well, I'm doing my edges. Also, something else that I want to say is that I did not have to do a lot of plucking of this frontal, and I think that made a huge difference as well. Some wigs you have to do a ton of plucking and to make it look natural, and I'm lazy, so I won't be doing a ton of plucking. I'll only be doing a little bit, and you know, it is what it is. But this one, I did like my normal amount of plucking, and it came out like looking like such a really great hairline. It looks so natural, and really that plus the good lace is what made this lay the way it did, honestly. Yeah, I've had experiences in the past where it didn't, and it just looked real thick along the hairline. But yeah, so now I'm just using, I started off using foam to lay my edges, and then I went in with gel to solidify it. And typically I don't use foam, but I don't know, I guess the wig was just laying so well. I said, let me throw some foam on this. Let me just throw some foam on here. I don't know. I love this wig. Anyways, bye. Ooh, and this is what, don't this look like a fresh relaxer, a fresh press, a fresh, I don't know, like a fresh style. It just looks so good, and it's so flat. It's very flat, but you know, I had to add some volume to it. So let's get with these deep waves. So I am using my crimper that I got from Conair. I think I got this from either Walmart. I think I got this from Walmart, actually. And the only thing I don't like about this crimper is that it doesn't get that hot. Like the degree, like the little setting says 30, and that's supposed to be the hottest. To me, it doesn't get that hot. You can probably find a better crimper on Amazon, honestly, truly. But I like that this one is smaller than my other one because it makes more like tighter waves. So I waved my whole entire head. Probably took like 30 minutes, honestly, to do. It took a while because of the freaking crimper not getting that hot. So I had to let it sit on my hair for 50 hours. And after that, I just sprayed it with some quick spritz. a little bit like that to hold it in place, and voila. Now I just want to do like a little side-by-side comparison. Now you can see what one side looks like straight and what the other side looks like crimped. This is giving me like late 90s, early 2000s crimp vibes. It's such a vibe. I love it. So yeah, and just like that, we are on to the next side. So I just want to give y'all a close-up of them roots. Look at that lace. Let's ignore the part at the top. And we're going to ignore the fact that I skipped one in the back. I got a whole straight piece in the back, y'all. Please ignore that. But yeah, overall, this hair came out really, really cute. We're going to skip to this footage right here because it looks a little cuter right here. Yeah, this is more like it. So anyways, this is not the same crimps that I did in the video. This is like I came back a couple days later and redid it, but you get the gist of it, of what it looks like. I also like the hair better in this lighting because the roots don't look orange anymore. I think maybe it was just like my bathroom lighting or my camera lighting or something, but it doesn't look as crazy in this lighting here. So I was really happy with that. But overall, I absolutely love this hair. It's so soft. You saw it flat ironed and you're seeing it now crimped. No issues with like tangling or shedding or anything like that. Like I said, I'll put the information for the density down below because I'm not sure what density this is. But yeah, this hair is really, really cute. I love the lace. And that's it for this video, you guys. Anyways, thanks so much for watching. Adios till next time.